Hello, welcome to Engineer Comic. Free your imagination. In this video, we will continue our previous video. Okay, let's get started. We're still in the head of piston, and then we will make the rod of it. Oh yes, yeah. Okay, we protect our view. It's more like to assembly something that has been made before. It will be a perfect piston for car engine, by the way. Oh yes, we got this. Made this. Okay. We made. Let's make it. Click this hole and click this circle and this circle. Make it concentric. We got this, and then what are we going to do? We click this, and then we click this face. Make it concentric and checklist. Okay, it's like one duration of hall. Two. Also some joints. Maybe I want to redo it. There's some error that we made before. And then we will fix all of it. We got this. Add another part. For the part in a big way. I don't know, I'm still look after. And then we got this. Maybe I want. Yes, we rotate the position of it to make it as perfect as that we want. we make concentric to this house. Checklist, we make it concentric, and after we make it concentric, we click the face of it. Aim of making it strike and right in the middle. We click those two faces to make a perfect piston for car engine. We add another part. We will add another part and make two of this part. That's part. We click this face and then we click this face too. We rotate it, we find it one way. Hey. Oh, it's always an error open. I'm sorry, guys. Please be patient. There's some error of it. What I mean is error for me is for me. We click this hole and make to hole. That's to hole. We got it. Okay. At the end, we got this perfect hole. Another part and made it again. We put it in this hole. We made the face of it and the hole. We only put it. What we need to do now, just put it in. We got this. Okay guys, maybe this is all for today. Please like and subscribe my video. Thank you very much.